This place is insane in the best ways. I literally just woke up and I'm staring at the Empire State Building. Like, I cannot stop smiling. I'm so happy. This is going to ignite so much creativity. I can already feel it. We woke up at like 6:30 because these windows are huge and I'm just like, well, I'm up. I don't even think I'm gonna get curtains. I didn't know if I was gonna turn on the vlog camera today. I left you guys in the last vlog of my first night in the apartment, and this is my first morning in the apartment. I told myself I'm not gonna stress myself out. I'm not gonna try to get through all. There's like probably 40 boxes. That's a lot to get through. Just me. Giving myself grace. I'm not gonna like freak out and try to get all these done now. I'm only one person and I need to relax and just take my time. There are a few high priority boxes, like my bathroom stuff I need, some of my kitchen stuff. Like I literally had to crawl through boxes to find a glass to drink my AG1. The lease officially starts tomorrow, April 1st, but I'm so thankful that they let me move in yesterday. It's nice just to have one day of the weekend that you're just okay. It feels like the world is standing still. I'm liking this little corner, my little bed corner. It's like a little cove. I love it. I just woke up. Like my eyes just opened and I was like, let me vlog. Got back from a little walk, get a breakfast sandwich, and I just realized I'm gonna be eating out at least for the next day. I can't even think of cooking right now. And that's the reality of moving. If you know, you know. I need to take a shower. I walk into the bathroom and I was like, oh yeah, I don't have curtains, like up. Thank God I ordered them, so I already have them, but I had to dig through another box. I'm gonna put the curtains on together so I can take a shower. Everything I show, it'll be linked below. A lot of things I post are always on my like to know it. I really like this. It's actually really cute. It's like a nice texture. We love our subway tiles. Oh. Took a shower. I feel so much better. I literally dove into one of the boxes to try to put together some sort of an outfit. My ass still really hurts from the workout I did almost a week ago. I did a lot of stuff actually. I had to go back to my old apartment one last time to sell my desk. And then I left the keys there, obviously, because I don't live there anymore. And then I figured, well, I'm already in Midtown. Why not go somewhere that I've always wanted to go? I went to Set Active in the West Village. I've always wanted a Set Active set, so I did buy. Oh my God, I bought some things. Oh, look, guys, look at this color, please. Cutie little sports bra, legging set, and this cute crop top. I just walked around the West Village for like 30 minutes and the vibes were immaculate. I cannot wait to just hang out there more this year. I ate out. I got some Joe and the Juice. I love Joe and the Juice. I got turmeric shot. I got my Joe's Club. And I just sat and vibed for a little bit. And now it's almost 5 o'clock. Now it's finally time to tackle some of the stuff. I'm telling myself it is okay. I do not have to get through everything. I'm such an overachiever sometimes, but I don't think it's possible to get through all of it in one day. I guess we'll see. Good morning, you guys. I want to say I'm sorry because I completely did not film anything last night. I was so tired. And I've been kind of kicking myself about feeling like I need to be super hyper productive in this time period. And that's just not the case. And I'm just someone in my like day-to-day who's very getting things done very quickly. This process has shown me that I really just need to take my time. I haven't unpacked or unboxed anything. I've just been like opening a few so I can grab things to actually live. It's Monday, April 1st, so happy April. I want to open every single box and throw all the boxes away. Wearing my Set Active set. How cute is this, please? Like, I love this color and I love the fit of it. They told me to get like a size that is like tight. I am not usually an X small, but this is an X small. I'm flattered because it fits well. All right, let's go. got done at Trader Joe's. I got 1 bag worth of stuff. It's very first time going to that location. And it's cute. And it's raining, but we're going home now. It's time. Let's go! Also listening to Ariana Grande's stunning, beautiful, amazing album. What a queen. We need this. Vlog camera. This is what I used for literally the last 3 years to do YouTube. Never forget where you came from. Struggle, but when the sun hits my face, I think of you, all my troubles are gone without a trace from all the things that are you. So I really need to fuel my stomach. So we're taking a little intermission and eating. I'm so tired. There's still work to be done. Just needed to sit for a little bit. Back at it.
Where you get your podcast. A great place. And by the response outside starts warming up, that's what works for winter as hibernation. Degrees, and we figure out how
slippers. Like, how freaking cute. I feel like I've done a good amount, so I need to remember that. I'm gonna take a little break so I can take all that downstairs. I'm getting a little claustrophobic because now I can't walk anywhere. Been unpacking this entire day from morning till night. It's almost 6 o'clock right now. I'm exhausted. I still have a ton of things here, but I did get all of the moving boxes out of here. However, I still have all of these, which are the orders and the new stuff.
Like, for my mom to live a long God. Wait, that's so funny. Wait, you have to press
com/IRL. See if he doesn't
for your flight too. Yeah.
Did end up opening one of the boxes. Clothing holder. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be. I plan to use this for underwear, swimsuits, sports bras, things like that.
And she asked me a question about
It fits.
ever had a chance
We love
to
that.
experience.
So surprised that it fits. It fits so perfectly. I did not measure these. I just went off of
There's something about
a feeling.
too many people who are back to that attention versus intention. Attention to intention. All these years I've done this and I've done that.
We got through more. I feel really good about where I left the apartment. I'm gonna eat dinner and start to wind down to go to bed. And then we will handle this sometime this week. Not sure when, but I'm happy with what I've accomplished today. I did a lot. I'm tired, but it was all worth it. Thank you guys so much for coming along today, spending the day with me, putting things together, unpacking. Make sure to subscribe if you are new here. Thumbs up this video to see all the future videos and to really see how this apartment's gonna come together. I have a really good feeling about it. I'll see you guys in my next one.